Examples related to skewness and kurtosis. Here we are asked to find the coefficient of skewness and kurtosis of the given distribution. F of x is equal to 4x into 9 minus x square upon 81. 0 less than equal to x less than equal to 3. Means obviously this is a case of continuous random variable where the variable is between the range 0 to 3 and 0 otherwise. So how is the distribution or probability density function given by f of x is equal to 4x into 9 minus x square upon 81. Now I will be requiring mu4. What is mu4? Mu4 is nothing but expectation of x minus mu whole square. I will be requiring expectation of x minus mu to the power 4. I will be requiring alpha 3. What is alpha 3? Coefficient of skewness, which requires mu 3. So in this case, it is easy for us to calculate mu1 dash. Mu1 dash is nothing but first moment about origin, and which is simply expectation of x. Mu2 dash will be expectation of x square. Mu3 dash will be expectation of x cube. Mu4 dash will be expectation of x to the power 4. And using those relationships, I can calculate mu3 and mu4. mu2 आपको क्या देगा? सिग्मा स्क्वायर. वेरिएंस ऑफ x इज नथिंग बट mu2 which is sigma square accordingly. So यहाँ पर इन्होंने पहले क्या निकाला है? mu1 dash. mu1 dash is expectation of x. Expectation of x means x into f of x to be integrated between the range 0 to 3. So integral 0 to 3 x multiplied by this quantity whole dx. Open the bracket, take outside the constant term. I am left with 9x square minus x to the power 4. Integrate it, put the limit, you get the value for mu1 dash. How is mu2 dash calculated? Mu2 dash is expectation of x square. So x square multiplied by the given function. Given function is valid for the range 0 to 3. Multiply by the appropriate term, simplify it and get the answer. This is the value for mu2 dash. Similarly, I calculate mu3 dash. Mu3 dash is expectation of x cube. X cube multiplied by f of x, whatever is the given. This f of x is valid for the interval 0 to 3. So accordingly, I am getting the answer for that mu3 dash is 216 upon 35. What is answer for mu4 dash? Mu4 dash is expectation of x to the power 4. Multiply x to the power 4 to the given function and integrate it between the interval 0 to 3. So that answer comes out to be 27 by 2. What is mu2? Mu2 is this value to be obtained with the help of relationship, and which is sigma square. Mu3 to be obtained with the help of this relationship, what we have discussed earlier. Mu3 dash minus 3 mu2 dash into mu1 dash into this, that is minus 32 upon 875. Mu4 will be again calculated with the help of this relation. That comes out to be this. Now we talk about the coefficient of skewness and coefficient of kurtosis. Sigma square is obtained. So what will be sigma? Sigma will be square root of this. Square root of this is root 11 by 5. Now इसका मेरे को क्यूब लेना है और इसका एक बार मेरे को रेज़ टू पावर 4 लेना है. So coefficient of skewness is alpha 3, which is mu3 upon sigma cube, which is minus 32 upon 875. यहाँ पर कहीं बीच में निकला होगा अपना वैल्यू, minus 32 upon 875. This is mu3 what we have calculated, and upon this, so it comes out to be negative. Negative means क्या होगा? Left or negatively skewed. Coefficient of kurtosis mu4 upon sigma to the power 4. All the values are positive, and therefore I am getting the answer as positive 2.18. So in this problem, if you see, you would have calculated first the expectation of x, and then you can use the definition of directly mu r. Mu r is what? Expectation of x minus mu to the power r. So either you can use this particular definition for the calculation, or you can go by calculation of moments about origin, that is mu1 dash, mu2 dash, mu3 dash, and with the help of the relationships you calculate the value for mu1, mu2, mu3, mu4, and after doing that proper integration you can find out the coefficient of skewness and kurtosis. तो यहाँ पर हर जगह integration करना is very easy because it is with respect to the continuous random variable valid for the range. So this is 216 upon 35, mu4 dash is 27 by 2. Calculate mu2 with the relationship mu3, mu4. Accordingly, coefficient of skewness and coefficient of kurtosis, which is one of the value comes out to be negative, other value comes out to be positive. So this is the coefficient of kurtosis, which is alpha 4, comes out to be positive 2.18. So this was the example related to the coefficient of skewness as well as coefficient of kurtosis. So this is one of the practice problem which you should complete. यहाँ पर क्या क्या निकालने के लिए बोला है? मीन इज नथिंग बट expectation, that is arithmetic mean or the average, variance and moment generating function for the given f of x. It is 1 upon b minus a lying between a less than x less than b. So this is the example which we have completed many times. Mean आपने निकाला है, variance also, moment generating function will be given by this because we have to calculate moment generating function. How to calculate moment generating function? It is expectation of e to the power tx. Now as this is a case of continuous random variable, our f of x is what? 1 upon b minus a, and integration will be done between the range a to b. Also find first two moments about origin. Now how the moments about origin are given by? They are given by mu r dash. What is mu r dash equal to? Mu r dash is nothing but expectation of x to the power r. फर्स्ट टू मोमेंट्स यानी आपको क्या क्या निकालना है? mu1 dash, and second what you have to calculate is mu2 dash. So this will be expectation of x and this will be expectation of x square. आपको पता है expectation of x आपने अभी निकाला है, which is a plus b by 2. So mu1 dash will automatically be a plus b by 2. mu2 dash क्या होगा? b cube minus a cube upon 3b minus a. If you want to simplify, this b cube minus a cube can be written as b minus a into b square plus ba plus a square. So b minus a can be cancelled and you can be left with b square plus ba upon a square, b square plus ba plus a square upon 3. That can be the answer. So accordingly, kindly try to find out mean, variance and moment generating function, and also find first two moments about origin. So this is the example which is related to the random variable containing the probability function or probability density function, I can say, f of x as 1 upon b minus a. Many a times we have gone with this particular quantity. Additional part what we are asked over here is find first two moments about origin. So after calculating moment generating function, calculate first two moments, that is mu1 dash and mu2 dash. That is how we need to calculate. So यहाँ पर आपको दिया हुआ है expectation of x square is calculated in this manner and we can easily try to get the answer. Expectation of x आपको पता है, expectation of x square ये है, variance of x is obtained in this way, which is the answer given over here, b minus a whole square. And accordingly we will be calculating moment generating function. Moment generating function is given in this way, expectation of e to the power tx, e to the power tx into f of x. What is f of x? 1 upon b minus a, and that is to be integrated between the range a to b. So after doing the integration and putting the upper limit and lower limit, you get the answer. The answer is here, e to the power bt minus e to the power at upon t into b minus a. So here the solution is provided to you for the convenience. As I said, mu1 dash is expectation of x, which is mu, and mu2 dash is expectation of x square, which is already calculated for the variance. Var-x वो हमेशा कैसे calculate कर रहा है? Var-x they are calculating not using the definition but using the result. That is expectation of x square minus expectation of x whole square. So this is how the variance is calculated. So for calculation of variance, already we have expectation of x square, and expectation of x square is nothing but mu2 dash, and hence what I had calculated the value after simplifying is b square plus ab plus a square upon 3. So this is how we can obtain the solution for the given problem. So these are certain examples which you can go through for practice for the calculation of skewness as well as kurtosis. Here what is asked, find the coefficient of skewness and kurtosis for the distribution having density function. How is density function given? By f of x as cx for the range 0 to 2, 0 otherwise, where c is appropriate constant. Now your integration will be done for the range 0 to 2. How is coefficient of skewness given? By alpha 3. Coefficient of kurtosis is given by alpha 4. For that I will be requiring mu 3 and mu 4 and sigma. Accordingly calculate mu 3 and mu 4. How to calculate mu 3 and mu 4? Mu 3 will be expectation of x cube, एक्सपेक्टेशन ऑफ x माइनस म्यू होल क्यूब. सो आप पहले कांस्टेंट को इंटीग्रेट करके, फंक्शन को इंटीग्रेट करके एक्सपेक्टेशन निकाल लीजिए विच विल बी म्यू, और एल्स यू कैलकुलेट म्यू 1 डैश, म्यू 2 डैश, म्यू 3 डैश, म्यू 4 डैश. From those relationships get value for mu 3 and mu 4 as what we did in the earlier example, and then find out coefficient of skewness and kurtosis. The other example which is again familiar is find the coefficient of skewness and kurtosis for the exponential distribution having density function alpha into e to the power minus alpha x, x greater than equal to 0. This is called as a distribution of the form exponential given by alpha into e to the power minus alpha x. So skewness and kurtosis will be obtained. Both values are positive. X is greater than equal to 0 means limit of integration will be 0 to infinity. F of x is defined as c into 1 minus x square minus 1 to 1. Find constant alpha 3 and alpha 4. Alpha 3 is nothing but coefficient of skewness. Alpha 4 is nothing but coefficient of kurtosis. So herein, as per the formula, you require mu 3, you require mu 4, and accordingly we can simplify and get the answer appropriately. So these are the certain examples related to the coefficient of skewness and coefficient of kurtosis. So this was some examples. These were certain examples which are to be considered for the practice. Kindly solve them, verify the answers. Answers are also provided there